Let's review how to use the donations accordion on the monetizer page. Select the Self section, then open the monetizer page. Click on the Donations accordion title bar to access this resource. Here, you can add important donation details, including the recipient, donation amount, date, and comments. Enter the information into the appropriate fields to create an organized record of each donation. Once you have entered the details, save the record so your donation information remains organized and easy to access. You can edit your records whenever information changes and use the available options to download or securely share the information when needed. This structured approach makes it easier for legal professionals to maintain accurate financial records, review previous donations, and keep important documentation organized without relying on scattered notes or separate spreadsheets. And that's how you use the LawWiz donations accordion.